Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome in your fourth and last day in our workshop of making flashcards. We have learned before about what is the flashcard, the types of different flashcards, how to make these types, and what are the benefits of using flashcards. Today we are going to take the last type of flashcard, which is the digital flashcard. So, we're going to learn digital flashcards, and the last part is tips for better flashcards. So today is our fourth day. What are the components? Definition of the digital flashcard. Tools, why to use it, and how to make it, and the tips. What is the digital flashcard? It is a card that is made by websites or programs. That means that we are going to make flashcards by programs or computer, and the students are going to learn by using these programs or the computer. They are not by hand. They are not visible like this. No, it is inside the computer. So students and the teacher are going to communicate together via computer. So what are the tools? Of course, it is a computer and programs or websites. I have here collected for you 3 good or excellent websites for making digital flashcards, and I'm going to show you today how to make a flashcard by using the first website, which is Quizlet. We have a very famous program which is called Anki. Anki is a very good program you have to install in your computer in order to make flashcards. Why to use digital flashcards? It's very simple and easy to use. Nothing, just clicks. A number of clicks, you finish your flashcard. The student is going to click over the flashcard to look at it, and another click to flip it or turn it down, and that's it. It's very simple and easy to use. This type of flashcards is for students who like to learn by using the computer. So if you want to change your way of teaching, instead of using papers, either by your hand or by computer, machine made, you might use the computer itself to show your flashcard through it. This type of flashcards is only for professional teachers who use computers frequently. This type of flashcards doesn't need materials, just your computer, so you save your money, of course. The student can use this flashcard from any device and any time. So the student can find your flashcard that you have created and learn from it by using his computer, his laptop, his tablet, his mobile phone, anything, because now we have a very supportive environment for computers and this stuff. And what is better for this type of flashcards that it is durable. People can use it anytime, at the morning, at night. It's fixed. Anytime anyone can use it. How to make digital flashcard? First of all, you have to sign in using your email. So if you don't have email, you can't make your flashcard. Sign in using your email and or Facebook account. Prepare your content. That might be the vocabulary that we have prepared before. As an example, your grammar questions, your speaking topics, whatever you have. Your equations, your experiment, whatever you like. Go on the flashcard website, make your clicks, right? Add the picture, and that's it. Before starting on the tips, I'm going to show you here how to make flashcards. This is Quizlet, as you see here. This is Quizlet website. I have signed in already by my email. I didn't use the account by the upgraded one that is used by money. What you are going to do is to add a label here. Just click, pick your picture, star for example. So you have now the picture of a star. I want to add a label. It's uploaded here. I will add a card. I will call this star. Okay, I want to add definition. This is the dictionary. A star is blah blah blah. I'm going to highlight, Control C, and write in the website, Control V, and that's it. This is the definition of the star. I want to add a picture. Automatically, the website showed me pictures for stars. So this website is very supportive to what you want. Now I added this because I want to teach KG. I want to teach grade 6, so I will add this one. So pick the picture that is suitable to your content. For example, you might choose another language. You might try it with Arabic, for example, Najma, whatever you want. You might add another card. For example, Shams, sun. You might write here Shams. Okay, you want to add a picture. I want to add a picture here. Shams. Picture, please. Grade what? KG? This one. Grade 1, grade 6, grade 9. So pick the picture that is suitable to you. And then press over the word create and you are done. Let's go back to our presentation now to complete the tips. How to make better flashcards. Number 1, you have created your flashcards. Now we are going to learn how to enhance these flashcards, how to improve these flashcards. Number 1, use a picture with the word to be more memorable. As you see here, I have put here picture and below it the word. If you put just word, it's not memorable that much like with the word with a picture. So try every time to put a word with a picture in the same card. Number 2, make more flashcards for the same difficult word and association for the same topic. Now I am talking about food and I want them to remember the word food. So I made association. I brought here banana and here watermelon and here French fries, spaghetti, and all these are food. So to enhance or support learning the word food, I made association, much pictures related to the main topic. Number 3, keep it simple. Yes, make your flashcard very simple as you can. The more it is simple, the more it is memorable and understandable. Keep it simple. Don't mix questions or ask for many answers in the same card. You can't ask, for example, what are the days of the week and how many days in the week we have. You are now asking 2 questions. They are 7 days and they are Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Just ask 1 question, either the number of these days or what are they. Ask about the day that we prayed for it, for example, the Friday prayer. So this is Friday. Don't ask about many things in the same card, as I'm telling you now. You have to test 1 concept per card, just 1 concept. We are talking about today about For example, the rabbits, so just ask about the rabbits. Number 4, how to deal with multiple meaning and multiple definitions. This is for English teachers and Arabic teachers or language teachers as a whole. We have here a plate. This is a plate. And I have wrote here plate and dish. And this is the worst flashcard you can ever produce. Why? Because this is very confusing. I'm going to now to memorize the word plate with this picture or the word dish with this picture. No, you as a teacher want me to memorize all these three. This is not simple. This is not simple. You have to just link the picture with one word. So I want to learn two words. What to do? For the same picture, you have to make two separate cards. Plate, the word plate with the picture, the word dish with the picture. Yes, keep it that simple. Separate everything and don't mix things together because that is not going to teach them anything. No, that is going to confuse them. How to deal with antonyms? You have to deal with antonyms as synonyms. Okay, this is a card. I have showed you now the front and the back. The front is this picture for a boy who is holding a temperature is very hot. And I'm writing for you here the opposite of cold, and it is hot. This is the worst flashcard that you can ever make because this is confusing. You are showing me a picture of hot and you are saying to me that this is the opposite of it is cold, and you are showing the word hot. So what I'm going to learn? Nothing. I have hot, cold, hot. What is that? This is very confusing. So you are going to deal with the antonyms like the synonyms. You are going to put them in two separate cards. A card with a picture for showing hot and the word hot. A picture that shows coldness and the word cold. And this one is the front and this one is the back. That of course makes the memorizing process easier and simpler. So one card from here hot, and if you flip it, it is cold. Hot, cold, like this. And this is easier for you and for the student. Number 6, keep it short. Yes, keep your definition short as you can. Keep the question short and direct. Keep the explanation short and direct. I'm here showing you, this is a flashcard, showing you the word spork. What does spork mean? An eating utensil first invented in 1874. It is the most efficient of all utensils, combining the food stapling magic of a fork with the food shoveling utility of a spoon. What is that? I can't understand. So what is a spork? I can't understand. What is the spork? What is that spork that you are telling me about? It's this. You can make it simpler like this. The spork is a mix of a spoon plus fork, and it is like this. So this is the spork. Is that better or this one? Of course, the second one is easier, shorter, direct, and simpler. So keep it simple. Give time for learning before memorizing, like this one. In the front card, I am giving a very big question like this, and I have here a space, and there is a picture that shows what I want to say, or the word, and here the word susceptible, and so I can't understand what is that, what is all that. The slow time, force, and voltage dependence of the NMDA receptor mediate conductance makes it particularly what to the hyperpolarizing influence of what is the hell is that? I can't understand all these words. So what is this word, by the way? But I can make it simpler like this. The hands are particularly what to arthritis. It is susceptible. So this is straightforward, comprehensible. Okay? Number 8, be careful with corrections. And this is the most important. This is, by the way, the last one. Here in the first card, fix the error. The picture of a burger. You eat burger every day. You eat burger every day in the back. This is the correction and this is the question. This is very bad. Why? Because when the student looks at the flashcard, find this picture, you eat burger every day, he is going to memorize it like this. So he is going to learn that you comes with eats. This is the correct one, not the wrong. He is not going to memorize the one on the back because you are showing the picture here and the fun is here. And back there is nothing. So what to do? To fix this problem, you have to do the following. Just remove the word that if it is memorized the same way it is wrong. Put spaces and write here to eat. So the student is going to look at the word and try to put it here correctly. So it will be you eat burger every day. He's going to remember that here there is no word and the word in the back, and he's going to remember it. And that's it. Thank you very much. Let's start looking at the assignment. If you like, make your first digital made card. Take a photo for it, just a screenshot, and put it or post it in the comments below. I will check and tell you my opinion, my feedback. I want to add just one more question. What is the mistake that you have made before and now you can correct it after learning about tips for how to make better flashcards? I will check and tell you my feedback tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching this workshop about making flashcards. I hope you enjoyed these lectures, and I hope they are beneficial for you. See you later with another series of workshops. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.